Hindi malabas sa sasakyan, hindi makalabas, makapasok.
Oo.
Kasi sa karsada mga tao na ganila.
Oo. Ayan, dito tayo. Ayan, nagdatingan na sila. Ayan sila, oh. Dalawa. Ito na po yung sa loob. Bago pa maano siya.
Why build trust? Just be you. We hosted our first ever global fun run. Hungry, excitedly, look what happened. We had more than 220,000 FBOs join FLP. It seemed like just yesterday that we were kicking off 2025. Sorry we can't be with you to celebrate in person today, but I guess through the wonders of modern technology, we can stop and just say a massive hello to each one.
We do product demo, like that. But there are also challenges in doing home parties. You know, when you invite, ano ba yun? Product demo, health awareness talk. Ayoko yung mga health awareness talk. But if you invite them, come to my house, I'm gonna have a healthy tea party. Come to my house, we're gonna have some healthy drinks. Ganon. Diba? It's not for health awareness, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna sell products to me. Okay, so this is one thing,
Okay? First, by the end of this talk, social media, malalaman nyo, social media, to all ages dito, from baby boomers, Gen X, millennial, Gen Z, it's non-negotiable. Dapat as a business owner sa forever, you have social media in your business. And then, what will build trust versus what kills credibility? Malalaman
anong aking umpisahan, di ba? So, ito po, si Shirley Candy, ano ba yung simple step na ginawa mo sa iyong business using SOCMED?
Hello, good evening po sa lahat. Good morning. So, yung mga hindi pa po nakikilala sa akin, I'm a former secretary po ni Apply Lolly and Apply And now, I'm a senior manager forever! So, paano po ba yung simula ng mga beginners sa social media? Kasi isa po ako sa, yung natakot simulan ang social media kasi hindi man ako techie, wala akong background sa, sa social media, but because I was blessed, kasi nag-guide po ako ni Coach Nicolay to do the digital marketing. So, ang una ko pong ginawa talaga is ayusin ang aking profile sa Facebook. Yun po ang una natin gawin, ayusin ang profile sa Facebook. Dapat may maganda tayong picture na nakatawa kasi pag nakita tayo ng ating mga audience na hindi nakatawa, syempre, hindi tayo papasukan yung ating page or profile page. Tapos, kailangan din meron tayong bio. Kasi, ano ba yung bio? Yun yung nasa baba ng pangalan natin. Kasi dito tayo makikilala ng ating audience. So, nakalagay po dyan, I'm an online seller coach. So, nakalagay din po dyan, helping women with a dream. Kasi, maganda po, makita rin ng mga na pumapasok doon sa ating page na sino ba yung mga natutulungan natin.
Next level, 2,500 page review.
is our 30 years. So, ang trabaho namin ngayon with Expendables is actually to do a short closing talk. So I'm not gonna share a training or anything. I'm just gonna share just 5 points, okay, on building a forever business today. Okay? So actually, marami lang sinabi, but this will just be short and parang closing na rin. Okay? So, first point, okay? First closing point is, the business has not changed. Okay? Kasi maraming kasabi, nagbago na daw forever. Actually, the environment has. Okay? And Forever family, let me say this clearly, no? Number one, forever has not changed. Our products are still world-class. Naniniwala pa kayo, world-class pa rin ang products of Forever?
Yes!
Okay, world-class pa rin. And our compensation plan is still powerful. Okay? And our values are still solid. Okay? What has changed is the environment. At sinare kanina ni Nikolai actually. Today, no? People don't listen first, they search first, they don't buy first, they watch first, they don't commit first, they follow first. Lalo na sa mga bagong generation ngayon.
1,000 and we hope to get 5,000. At the peak of Forever in the Philippines when we were number 2 sa buong mundo. Yes, clap your hands! We were crossing over 30,000 case credits a month. And the top FPO during the top 3 kumikita ng 1 million a month. At well, it's a mixed feeling kanina nung tinawag yung mga nag-qualify sa Forever Global Rally. Mixed feeling in the sense na, well, as usual, kaya kami, ako, si Rene, si Chris, no, na nag-qualify ulit for the next, for over 20 years pa kami qualify. It's a mixed feeling. I feel so sad that every year, pakonti ang nagko-qualify. Ngayon, 3 na lang. Nung peak ng career ng Forever or peak ng sales of Forever, ang nag-qualify is over 300 FPOs. Yeah, palakpakan niyo yan. Kasi para maging ang inyong mga tutulog na damdamin. 300, naging 3. 30,000, hardly, halos hindi maka 3,000. So, ano ba yung kulang? Ano ba ang dapat natin gawin? I will leave you with something to think about when you go home. No, kasi, while it is exciting to share what I have in mind in front of you people, I want you to think about this, pray about this, and do something about it, not for FFP Philippines, not for myself, not for your downline, your upline, but for yourself. Do not just be clappers. Do not just be inspired by what you see in us. Because our present is your future.
Forever 360 na libre na ngayon ng araw na subscribe. We already have a duplication system. We have already discussed this kanina. We have a growing wellness market that si Chris emphasized. And this is a recession-resistant industry. So kahit na magkaroon ng recession, kahit na yung ating ekonomiya sa Pilipinas babagsak, meron pa rin demand para sa ating, not just the products, more importantly, the business. Okay, so mas maraming magnenegosyo kung nagkaroon ng economic downturn. This was proven during the time of yung COVID, na biglang lumakas yung pagbili ng mga products natin. At ang Forever Living gives you an unlimited income potential. It really just depends on you. Magkano gusto ninyo? 50,000 per month? 100,000 per month? 500,000 per month? 1 million a month or more? Pwede at nakita na natin yan sa mga top distributors all over the world. For the longest time, akala natin wala na makakatapos.
Just to give you an idea, itong chat na ito won us the Spirit Award sa Forever Global Rally sa San Francisco, California. Kayo, nasa likod mo. Okay, 3 times no. Wow, galing, ang galing
ng Philippines. Wow, galing. Ang galing ng Philippines. Wow, galing. Ang Philippines.
Philippines.
Mabuhay.
Galing!
Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! 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 Mabuhay! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! 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 Mabuhay! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! Wow! Galing! Ang galing ng Philippines! 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 Mabuhay! Seryoso. Asan na yung soup?